Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn on Find My iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to turn on Find My iPhone settings, so let's see how you can do this. First you have to open your phone settings. In settings, just select your Apple ID in the top right and just tap on it. And here you have the option of Find My. Just select it, and here you have the option of Find My iPhone. Just tap on it. Here you can see I have already enabled it. You just have to enable this setting, which is Find My iPhone. Just tap on it and it will be enabled if your phone you have disabled it. After doing this, you just have to enable these two also, and then scroll down back, and here you have the My Location. Tap on it. In My Location you have to make sure that your Share My Location setting has been turned off. You might have to enable your location to actually use the service. Basically, it's a service that you can find your phone if your location has been turned on. If this setting will be turned on, so you can trace your phone by your Apple account. So that's how you can turn on Find My iPhone settings. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.